Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So we are here with a Kroger pickup. All you need to know tutorial. It was also formerly known as Clicklist, but they have changed it just to pickup. I've been getting a lot of questions about this. Hopefully a lot of you guys are watching this in the future when everyone's not so scared to go to the store due to the current virus going around. This is March 2020. But if you're watching this now and you regularly watch my videos, you know that I've been encouraging doing pickup and not going in the store because it's just really the safer route. So, yes, we're going to go through everything you need to know: how to use coupons, how do you place an order, how do you start your cart, how do you deal with substitutions, and ultimately, you might come out ahead with some better deals with pickup. So that is what we're going to talk about in this video. So I'm going to switch us over to my computer screen, and we're gonna walk through a Clicklist order. Step one is to go and watch my breakdowns video. I know I'm doing a little plug here because a lot of you guys watch this anyways, and you can get the best deals there. So if you're a couponer, maybe you're not a couponer. If you're not a couponer watching this and you have no interest in coupons at all, the rest of the info will be valid for you. But if you're a couponer, watch my breakdowns video to get your deals. So let's say you're watching my video and you want this Edge Scantimate deal where it winds up being 24 cents. Okay, you're like, oh, how do I do this? So we're going to go on Kroger's website, Kroger.com. It's going to take you to this front page, be logged into your account, make sure you have the store selected that you're shopping in. So what we're going to do is we are going to type in Edge Shave Cream. Okay. It's going to bring up all the Edge shaving creams that Kroger carries, which is 3 varieties. So let's say I want one of these and one of these. Comes to $5.98, the sale prices. Now remember, this is a part of the Buy 5, Save 5 Mega. You buy 5 or more items and you get an extra $1 off each participating item. So $1.99. Really awesome. For couponers and mega events, Kroger, the website does not keep track of that for you. It's going to show you the price that's $1 higher. It does not keep track of the mega events. Even once you hit the 5 items, it doesn't change anything and show you the mega price. It also does not reflect any digital coupons in this estimated subtotal. You will not see your final total until you actually go to Kroger. That's the unfortunate part here. These prices are not locked in. So let's say you order this on a Tuesday and the sale ends on Tuesday and you don't pick it up till Thursday. You're not going to get Tuesday's sale price. You're going to get whatever the price is on Thursday. So that's really an important thing to know is your sale prices are not locked in. That's why it says estimated. Also, let's say you want to use this Dollar Edge digital coupon because we are using a paper coupon for this deal, but let's say you want to use a digital. It doesn't reflect it in this estimated subtotal either. It does not reflect until you actually go to the store and pick it up. At that point, what you should do, this is what I recommend. They're very, very awesome about sitting there and going through the receipt with you or whatever. Tell them, hold on, I want to check my receipt and make sure all my digital coupons and my Buy 5, Save 5 thing worked. Sit there and review it and make sure it worked. That, plain and simple. If it didn't work, you can have them go back in and throw something in or something to that regard. But make sure to check and make sure your coupons worked. Okay, we're going to just keep adding items here to show you. Let's say you want Tide with Downy. That's on the mega event. It is on sale price for $5.99, but it's Buy 5, Save 5, so it's going to be $4.99. But again, it doesn't reflect that. The $5.99 is the price before the mega event. Oh, look, we have $1 off digital coupon, so it's going to be $3.99. So you got to do some math in your head. This is Buy 5, Save 5, but you are not getting that. Like, it's going to be $4.99 after the Buy 5, Save 5, but they don't show you that, which I really wish they would change because it makes it confusing. But make sure you keep track of what prices are. Okay, let's say you got your Tide. You need 2 more mega items. Let's do the Skippy peanut butter. Should still pop. Nope, didn't pop up because I didn't put the R on there. Okay, Skippy peanut butter. There we go. We got our peanut butter. So get those 2. That makes your 5 items. You've hit that 5 item threshold. You're good to go now, but it doesn't show you that. Your total is actually going to be $5 less minus your 2 digital coupons. So it's actually going to be $7 less. It'd be $10.15. And then you're going to use your paper coupon for the Edge, your paper coupon for the Skippy. And remember, I said there's an Ibotta offer for $1.50 on 2. You're going to get a regular Kroger receipt, like always, just a normal receipt. So you can absolutely submit it for any rebate apps that you have. So this is how you add items. Let me show you guys a couple other cool little tricks. Let's say you need milk. I'm going to show you how to tailor it down because it'll give you 40,000 things. I think there's like 700 results. Yeah. We don't want to look through 700 results. So we're going to start narrowing. Okay, well, we know that milk is in dairy. So we only want to look at dairy. We don't want anything else that has to do with milk. Okay, well, we want milk. So we don't want sour cream or yogurt or anything. So you click on milk. Now it's narrowed down and you're seeing all the various milks that are available. So let's say you want Kroger chocolate milk because this is the best stuff in the world. Click add to cart. And then let's say you also need 2 gallons of regular milk. So click on what you want. And then if you want more than one, click the little plus button and it'll add on more than one milk. So really cool. Okay. Another cool trick. Let's say you are a couponer and you like looking through the digital coupons, but sometimes you forget what coupons you have. Kroger makes this so convenient for us. Let's say you're doing the 4-day digital sale, which I did a video about. And let's say you want the challenge butter. You're looking through your digitals, you see this challenge butter. First, you want to clip it. But then you don't have to go up here and type challenge butter. You don't have to go through all that and look for it. You can click on this button that says shop all items, and it's going to show you the items this coupon's valid for. Pretty awesome. So let's say I want 5 of these butters. There you go. You got your 5 butters. They're added to the cart. Remember, your digital coupon will not reflect until you pay. And you can do this with any coupons. It's really, really awesome. Okay, that is kind of the gist of how you find items in Clicklist. And I love it. It's so easy. Now you got this cart. You got your cart. There's a big thing here at the top that makes this really important. Allow substitutions for out of stock items. This is a blessing and it's also a curse. For instance, yesterday I did a Clicklist order and we had bought Kroger chocolate chips. They're regularly $1.99. Well, they were out. So they gave us Nestle chocolate chips. They're regularly $3.79 and they price modified them down to $1.99. That is what Clicklist will do. If your item's out of stock and they have something they can give you, they'll give it to you at the same price. However, this can be a curse because let's say Kroger was out of the Edge. So they were out of the Edge shaving cream and they gave you Gillette instead. This is where things would go wrong because one, your digital coupon's not going to work. Your Ibotta is not valid for this. And your paper coupon's not valid for this. And so you're going to get that $1.99 sale price, but you're not going to be able to use your coupon or do your rebate. So that's where things go wrong. I will say though, yesterday, during this whole virus and everything that's gone wrong, they were only out of a couple things out of a big shopping list. So I really feel like you're not going to run into too many hassles with this, but keep in mind that is a possibility. Okay, so substitutions, you can select, but if you want to avoid that, you can tell them, I don't want you to substitute this. If they don't have it, don't substitute it. You can go by each item and tell them if you want to substitute it or not. You can go through. So like, let's say, okay, well, if they don't have the Edge, I don't want to have it substituted, but I'm fine with them substituting the butter. You know, you can totally go through and select what items that you don't want substituted and what you do. And you can also provide special instructions. So let's say for the milk, you want them to reach in the back of the dairy cooler. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud here. You can totally do that. Another one, produce. Let's talk about produce. I've seen a lot of people tell me, oh, I don't trust people to pick my produce. You can absolutely tell them, you know, how you want it. So let's say bananas. Say you want bananas. Okay, well, there's a bunch. So that's what we do. Narrowing it down again would really help. So go to fresh fruits and vegetables, and that's really going to narrow it down for you to not have a million options because there's frozen bananas, regular bananas, all that. So let's do bananas right here. Okay, we're going to add it to cart. And they're going off of each banana, like how many bananas there are. So let's say you want 6 bananas. Okay, we're going to go back to the cart, and we are going to add... See, it glitches sometimes. We're going to add in, we want green bananas. And so that's what they'll see when they're going through. So if you don't trust them to pick your produce, you can be extremely specific about what they pick out and all that fun stuff. Okay, a big thing is only credit or debit will be accepted, but if you're shopping online, you're pretty much used to that. So, yes. So at this point, you've done this. you are going to click checkout pickup. Now, right now, they are sold. There's not many times available. There's not. The closest is Tuesday. Eek. I know. There's a lot of times on Tuesday, but they're definitely running low on times. You might be thinking, oh gosh, Nick, this is Saturday. I don't want to wait till Tuesday. Well, at this point, you're going to have to if you want to do Clicklist because everybody is doing it because of the virus. So here's a really cool tip that we did. What we did in our order, we ordered it on Wednesday. It was available on Friday. We reserved that time. But the really cool part about Kroger is up until like the day of, you can no longer add items. But the 2 days in between, we were able to continue adding items to the order. Thursday night, we got on and added more items. You can totally do that and keep adding items to your order. Absolutely, you can do that, which is so awesome. So awesome. So we realized, we need, what was it? We decided we needed lettuce. We added it on that night, the next day, and it was added to our order. Absolutely can do that. So if you have to schedule a couple days out, you know what? That's okay. You can still add items to it. So I would recommend, if you're not even needing to grocery shop, let's say you're thinking, I don't need to go to the store till Tuesday or Wednesday, get on there and pick your spot now. Reserve your spot, even if you're only adding 1 or 2 things, and keep adding items as long as you need them, just so you have your spot locked in. But make sure you have all your items added prior to the next, like the day of. So it has to be the night before or the day before. Okay, and then you'll just pay. You'll enter whatever card you're using. Remember, your first 3 Clicklist orders are free. However, after that, it will cost $4.95, which I know a lot of couponers are like, oh my gosh, I don't want to pay that. But right now, it is so much safer to do this than going in the store. And I don't recommend anybody go in the store. So you might be thinking, like, where do I even pick this up? Like, where do I pick it up at? I've seen it different in each store. There is, at my store, there is just the back of our store. You drive back through the back of our store. It's in the back. There's like 5 spots. There's a door they come out. But there's other stores I've seen who just have spots in the parking lot. Depends. So just, you need to drive around your store and they will have signs leading you to where to go. Once you get to Kroger, you park in the spot and you will call them. There's a number on a sign. It's like a special Clicklist line. You call it. They say, okay, what spot are you parked in? What's your name? Okay, just a couple minutes. We'll bring your order out and they'll load it up in your car for you. You don't have to do any of that work. So easy. I love it. Yeah, it's really, really awesome. Lots of great stuff. So, yeah, I pretty much think that's it. You can go through, there are tons of FAQs on the Kroger site, which I'll try to leave this in the description. It pretty much addresses what I answered, but there's a few other things here you might want to look through. You can only do cash, or not cash, you can only do credit and debit. You can't do cash, check, WIC, SNAP, none of that. So that's why it is kind of unfortunate for some. But if you're able to do this, it's really a great option. Remember, you can use paper coupons. You can do rebates because it gives you out a receipt. It's really the same as going in store, honestly. And it's easier. And it's, at this point during this virus, so much safer. So yeah, that's all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope I answered your questions. If you have any more, let me know. And thank you so much for watching.